Hello, and welcome to the first ever Savester2torial. The name is clever, I know. Let's not dwell on it. Let's just get into it. Today I'm going to be showing you something that is maybe illegal. I'm not sure, I haven't looked into it, but it is a useful skill. I'm not saying you should use it, but it is useful, alright? And I'm holding a microphone right now, so I'm going to put it down so I can type in what I'm going to search for, which is a stock photo. That's what we're going to start with, alright? I'm not even going to tell you what we're doing because it's probably the title of the video, so let's just get into it. Okay, I just searched stock photo. I'm just going to go to images. Okay, the first one that has a watermark. Well, this one has Getty Images, but this one, we want all of the watermarks. That's what we're trying to get rid of, okay? We're going to save this. We all know how to save an image, but it's there. If you want, we're just going to save it into this folder. And, oh man, I was going to not edit this, but this is definitely getting edited. Or is it? Alright. So you want to open Photoshop, because that's what we're using for this. And once Photoshop is open, I'm just going to open the file. Alright. Oh, this is actually perfect. Where is it? Okay. So, this is a great image. We want it for whatever we're making, because, you know, stock photos, if you're searching for stock photos, you probably can't afford them, honestly. Am I right? So that's why we're just gonna steal them, okay? Here's how we do it. We're gonna look for the spot healing brush, okay? To this day, I still forget where tools are, okay? Because they hide behind other tools. I'm just gonna... Wow, this is really bad. It's because I'm talking. I feel like it should be there. Wow, this is embarrassing. Oh, oh, there it is. Okay. Sometimes that thing comes up, you know, and there's one tool hiding, and it's always the one you need, alright? Once you get the spot healing brush, not a lot of people know this, but you can actually press these square bracket keys, and that's going to make your brush smaller or bigger, okay? We don't need it to be too small. Maybe we do, but I don't really care right now. But this layer should be editable already. You can just click on the frickin' watermarks. That's it. That's all you have to do. Look at this. I'm literally just clicking with the spot healing brush, alright? Holy shit, there's a lot of shit in here. Alright. Spot healing brush tool. You see that? See, this is the thing. People are like, oh man, you're so good at Photoshop. No, Photoshop is just good at editing photos, and nobody knows how to use it, but I'm here to show you. It's this easy. Okay, now I'm having some issues. Okay, you can also, like, click and drag. Look at that. Okay, that's I kind of fucked it up there, but it looks like a frill, you know? Just keep doing that. Just keep doing that. Oh man, this is fun. You know, at first I was nervous to make this video, but now I'm just kind of talking to myself, and it's great. Alright, and look at this. Does this look bad? I can't really tell. Like, it looks pretty legit, right? It's just... I feel like it looks better than if the watermark was there. You know, you just have to put in the time. If you really need to. If this is for, like, a class project or something, and you want to look profesh. Because, you know, sometimes it's funny, oh, he left the watermark in, oh, it's Comic Sans. Yeah, that's never been done before. Just make it look good, okay? If you've got Photoshop and you're not using it, you should use it to do stupid shit like this. Okay, that was a fuck up. That's a Control-Z right there. Okay, look at this. This is basically the same color. like everywhere. I can just I'm gonna patch it. Oh, okay, no. This is what I want to patch. Okay. Control G that. That looks terrible. That was a failure. We're going back to the spot healing brush. This is all you need. I'm gonna make it smaller though. Wow. Just keep clicking. If it fucks up, just keep clicking. Alright, don't try and be fancy and use another tool. There's one tool you need for this. It's the spot healing brush, okay? And now, the reason I wanted to show you this, really, if you've made it this far in the video, is because this is a really useful tool for so many things. I can't even think of the things you could use this for, but you're probably thinking, oh my god, dude, this is amazing what you're doing right now, just with that one tool. I could use that for so many things, and that's exactly what I want you to think. Okay? Look at this. I'm going to make it huge now. One click. It's kind of smudgy. I'm going to admit it's kind of smudgy. Okay? When you make it big, but oh, it's so efficient when you make it big. Look at that. This white part. You definitely don't need to use it like this for the white part. You could use the patch tool for this, but I don't care. Around the edges of stuff is where it gets tricky. Okay. You know, I don't think I'm gonna edit this. I don't think I'm gonna edit this. Even that fuck up. I fuck up my speech a lot. You know, it's just part of life, I feel. I know exactly why it is. I'm not gonna say why. This didn't used to happen to me, and then I started doing something, and now I just can't talk anymore. But if you're watching this right now, if you made it to this part, oh man, what have I done? See, now I forgot what I was gonna say about if you made it to this part. If you made it to this part, I can talk, because you've been listening this whole time, or maybe you're just mesmerized by these Photoshop skills. I can't do it. Like I said before, I'm using one hand, because I'm holding the microphone. I bet the audio is shit too, because I'm holding it way close to my mouth. Oh, yeah, I can see it peaking. Oh my god. This is so bad. The point has been made. Alright. If you want... Oh, look at how clean that was. If you want more Savester2torials, I'll probably do them better in the future. Or maybe I'll just stick to the shitty format. But I can teach you anything about the Adobe suite, alright? I don't know it all, but if you ask me how to do something, I'm going to search it up, because I know how the software works, and I'll figure it out, and then I'll show you how to do it, okay? After Effects, I know how to use that. Premiere, I know how to use that. Dreamweaver, don't ask me about that. I don't know coding very well. I actually know how to use Dreamweaver, though. If you have like a Dreamweaver specific question, I'm probably not the person to ask, but like I have a general knowledge of that. Audition is a good tool. I'm not an audio guy, really. I'm a visual guy, but I do know some stuff about Audition. Fruity Loops, not Adobe, but I do know some stuff about that. Any of these things, you're thinking, oh, Illustrator. I actually do know Illustrator. Any of these things, you need to know. I fucked it up a bit more. Okay, now I'm gonna comment on this photo. Like, what is this?